Give me a break. As we enter into the new year, tax season is right around the corner. As a new homeowner or buyer, you would wonder, what is the tax benefit of owning a home? Hi, I'm Nguyen with Ace Estate at Keller William Reality. There are several tax breaks you to be aware of when you file your tax as a homeowner. So let's break it down, some of them. Obviously, be sure to verify all of my suggestions with your tax advisor. Number one, mortgage interest. The ability to deduct mortgage interest is a significant benefit of owning a home. Mortgage interest is the interest charged on a loan used to purchase a home. Second, property tax. As a homeowner, you will pay property tax on the state and local level, but most likely you can take a property tax deduction on your taxes. This deduction can be very valuable depending on the location where you live. Third, a home office. Post-pandemic, more homeowners are working from home. There can be some tax break for having a home office with your expenses. Fourth, high energy efficient upgrades. Many energy efficient home improvements made to your home can qualify you for a tax break. This includes energy efficient appliances, solars, window and roofing. Bottom line, owning a home can have many financial benefits when filing your tax. It's best to consult with your tax profession to learn about all the help available to you and to make sure any of my suggestions can apply to you. If you're a buyer entering the housing market or a seller thinking to list or would just like some advice, feel free to reach out to my team and I so we can help you explore your option and find the perfect home. And as always, we're here to turn dreams into reality, one home at a time.